There is no other government in parliament. It is our members of parliament. You are the government. You heard me talk about housing. You heard me talk about universal health coverage. When it comes to implementation, sasa watu wanaanza sijui sasa unajua hii kitu imekaa sijui namna gani. Parliament have done their bit, making sure that there are resources that are allocated for us to be able to implement the plan. One of the big successes that we have had is on matters food security. I think it is a big issue. We had a situation where we had a crisis, and the crisis was not limited to Kenya. We are proposing to expand the coffee cherry fund. Again, in the supplementary estimates, we will be coming to Parliament to ask for some allocations. We are working on with Treasury on how that can be facilitated. We have just disbursed the first 1.7 billion in the sugar sector. We are working on the reforms in that sector, and hopefully in a couple of months we will be able to have a new space for our sugar industry to flourish again. Also, as you have heard me commit, we are working with KCC. We will be coming to Parliament for another allocation of maybe about R1 billion, just to make sure that our milk producers are paid on time. From 1st of March, we are going to pay milk farmers 50 shillings per litre, and we have also said that it will be paid on time.